I've got my QF009 SU35 park jet back out here, and the only thing I don't like about this airframe, and it's an absolutely fantastic airframe, but this one has this pale bluish gray color, and against a pale blue sky it makes it really hard to see. So I had some black wing tape on it in earlier flights, and that did help a bit. But I went ahead and removed the wing tape and then used some black acrylic paint. And so I painted the forward part of the fuselage and the forward part of the wings black. I put a black line down the center of the fuselage, and then I also painted the leading edges of the horizontal stabilizers black, just to see if that will make it more visible in the air, because it really needs to be more visible in the air. Alright, so let's take it out here and launch it. So let's see if we can launch it in intermediate mode. I'm launching. Wow, that was almost bad. I kind of tilted that up when I launched it. Okay, so now let's see, is it more visible in the air? Yes, it is. It is more visible in the air. I can really see the leading edges on the wing now. I think what I might do is, put another like chevron on the lower part of the main wing, so that that light color is more highlighted against the sky. If it's surrounded by black, so I might do that. But yeah, it is definitely more visible in the air than it was. So it's an improvement, definite improvement, because it was like I said, it was really easy to lose orientation on this airframe if you weren't careful and really paying attention to what you were doing with the aircraft. But God, isn't that a nice airframe? Alright, let's walk out here and see if we can land it. I think we'll make one more circuit. There we go. Alright, now we'll bring it in. What an awesome little plane. Alright, so the markings, the new markings on it did help. It was more visible in the air than it's ever been. But I think what I need to do is come right across here, right? Along the trailing edge, almost follow that line created by the ailerons, and just bring that all the way down as a black line, so that you've got a lot of contrast between the light color and the dark color. I think that will do it. So got a little more markup to do, and then I think this is going to be very, very visible in the air. Alright, so test complete. It's an improvement, not quite there yet. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the TinkerzLab.